What's up, guys? It is Zachary back in another video. I'm not using my face cam today because I used my intro at the start. So we're gonna be playing Slither.io today, and this is gonna be about a 14 to 15 minute video. So yeah, let's go. So we're gonna let's start, guys. So let's get my username. Dang it. Alrighty. So let me just get back. Alright, now let's play. Okay, guys, I haven't played this in a long time, and my laptop's really glitchy, so let's hope I do well. Yeah, it's really glitchy, as you can see, but not glitchy enough. So I will die every time. So I'm not gonna. Oh shoot! Yeah, it's kind of glitchy. Oh, it's not. I changed my mind. Get all the dots. It's so glitchy. Get him! Ah, I thought okay. It's very glitchy, guys. If I was like, oh. Shoot, let me go back. Oh, shoot. Okay, no. I would be doing way better if it's not glitchy. I just need somebody to die right now. That's not me. Okay, yeah. It was glitchy. Did literally all of them die? Oh. Whoa. Okay, let's see if we can get, like, non-glitchy. It's so, oh, somebody just got pushed. Oh. Whoa. That was weird. What the heck? It's so glitchy. Look how huge I am. Oh. That was horrible. How do I skip up? Yeah, skip ad. There we go. Oh. It's so glitchy. No, I'm gonna play another game. Since it's so glitchy. Guys, I'll be right back. We're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I haven't played this in a while. This project and detectives. Alright, let's play. Then. Oh, turn it down. What the heck? Oh, my. No, I hate that sound. It always happens. What the heck? Oh, no, it did not stop. Okay. Turn it off. How is it still recording? Bye, guys. I need to turn it off.